Hello guys! Since my last video, a very nice feature was added to Octane Render for Blender, and in this video I'm going to explain you how to use this one, and this time it's all about hair. So, let's say you have a plane with a particle system, hair type, change a few settings, add a material, add a color, okay. It looks nice, but I don't know, a little bit boring. What about adding a little bit more color? What about adding a gradient texture? Connect them. And now I'm going to use a new texture node, Octane W texture. This one should be connected to a texture pin, and along with another new settings, W coordinate settings box here in your particle system, and another one, object data, hair W interpolation. These three new settings, they give us much more flexibility in creating material for our hair system. So let's change this gradient. Okay, the last one red, and in the middle green. Okay, so now it looks much more interesting. But what about taking it even further? What about if you have a plane and you want to have, for example, two different particle systems in your plane, and you want that first particle system uses first half of your gradient and the second part. So in this case, you need to change your hair interpolation type from hair length or segment count to use hair W's. These two segment count or hair length, in this case, Octane engine calculates interpolation of W coordinates, hence the color, by itself automatically. But if you need a finest adjustment, you need to switch to use Octane W's and change manually these coordinates. So min and max W's, they control how colors from your gradient are mapped to control points on your hair. So min stands for sets coordinate for your first control point, and max for the last one. And if you want to have different colors in one mesh, you need to divide your mesh in different parts. I divide it in halves using vertex groups, and after that you need to add another particle system to your mesh. I'm going to use the same particle system, change the number, make them independent. Now go to vertex groups, and in density I just need to add two different groups for two different particle systems. Okay, and here one. Now, as I want my first particle system to use first half of my gradient, I need to set min coordinate to 0 as it is, and max to 0.5, like this part of my gradient. And for the second one, from 0.5 to 1. Okay, let's see. As you can see, it works as expected. So, to sum up, we have three new settings: Octane W texture node, W coordinate settings box in our particle systems, and hair W interpolation type in object data. In most cases, in most scenes, you will be happy using segment count or hair length, but if you need to change something and to make something really special, you need to switch to use hair W's, go to particle system settings, and change your W coordinates manually. That's it.